Hello guys, welcome to a new tutorial. Today we're going to practice a little bit more of defining and non-defining relative clauses. I know we have already worked this in class, but it's a super important grammar topic. So let's review a little bit more of this. Take out your notebook and please copy the title for today and the word answers. Okay? Also numbers 1 to 10. We are going to work together on a review and exercise about this topic. Okay, I hope you're ready. Let's go. Okay, so remember that relative clauses, they are not going to be just one word, it's going to be a group of words, as we saw already. We use them to give more information about people, things, or places. Okay? Remember, these clauses, this group of words is used to describe the noun. That means that we describe people, things, or places. We also use them to connect two sentences or ideas. So let's see the words we use. It says we use the relative pronouns because this is the grammatical name of the words we already saw. Who, which, where. We have more actually. We have that. Okay, and we also have when. So let's remember very quickly. The situation is that is used to describe, to talk about in the clause about people or things, right? Who is used to talk about people, which is used to talk about things, where is used to talk about places, and when about time. Okay, so now that we remember a little bit of that, let's see. Who, right, is used to refer to people or pets also. For example, I know a man who lives in Venezuela. Important detail. The clause is going to start with this word and is going to have before it the noun. The person, the place, or the thing. In this case, it's the person because it's who. Which, of course, it's used to refer to things. The restaurant, which belongs to Oliver, is on Greenwich Avenue, right? The thing, restaurant. Where? It is used to refer to places because something happened there. The new hotel where I stayed is nice. Something happened in this place, in this hotel, because I am describing what happened. I stayed there, okay? The hotel where I stayed is not any hotel in the world, it's this one. We are being specific. So, I hope you have ready your notebook. We're going to start. Write the answers. Okay, number 1. The tall man lives in my neighborhood, is a soccer player. Write your answer. You have 2 seconds. Number 2. The restaurant I ate is one of the best in town. Write down number 2. Number 3. The dress Jane bought is not very fashionable. That means it's not very stylish. It doesn't look that pretty. Write down the answer. The email I wrote last night is about my new job. What do you think? The sweatshirt I am wearing is my brother's. Number 6. Now we have different instructions. Okay? For this part of the exercise, you have to read the sentence along with me And then you have to decide if the clause that is included in the sentence is defining or non-defining. Okay? Number 6, people who want to redecorate your home will appreciate this. Write it down. Number 7, there are practical apps that can help you with any project. Eight, if you have a device, which can be a smartphone or tablet, you can access different decorating apps. 9, to change your room, you can use an app that helps you choose a new color. And 10, you take a photo of the color you like, which maybe you saw in a store or someone else's house, and the app tells you what paint to buy. Okay guys, so this is the end of the worksheet. Please send me a picture on the classroom assignment, okay, of this. Please try to make the picture very clear so I can check your answers. That is all for today. I'll see you. Bye-bye.